In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Metapixel and Conversions API tracking for WooCommerce in WordPress. We'll go through the full setup from Meta Events Manager to WordPress, and then we'll test everything to make sure your store events are firing correctly. The goal here is to connect your WooCommerce site to Meta so you can track important customer actions like product views, add to cart, checkout, and purchases with better accuracy. First, open Meta Events Manager. This is where you'll manage your tracking source and verify that data is being received properly. Once you're there, create a business dataset and Metapixel if you don't already have one, or simply select the one you want to use for this store. It's important to make sure you're working with the correct dataset and pixel from the start, especially if you manage more than one business or website. Next, open your WordPress dashboard. From there, install the Meta or Facebook integration plugin or the tracking plugin being used in the tutorial. This plugin is what connects your WooCommerce store to Meta and handles the event tracking setup for you. After installation, open the plugin settings and connect your Facebook account. When prompted, choose the correct business account so the connection points to the right assets. Once connected, select the pixel or dataset you created earlier. This step tells the plugin exactly where your website event data should be sent. After that, enable browser-based pixel tracking. This allows standard client-side tracking through the visitor's browser, which is essential for capturing activity on your site. Then enable the Conversions API for server-side tracking. This is a very important part of the setup because it helps improve tracking reliability, especially in situations where browser-based tracking may be limited. Using both browser and server tracking together gives Meta more complete event data and can improve reporting and ad optimization. When that's done, save the connection and clear your website cache. Clearing the cache helps ensure that the latest tracking settings are active on the live site, especially if you use caching or performance plugins. Now go back to Meta Events Manager and open the Test Events section. This is where you'll confirm that your store is sending the expected actions. Visit a product page on your site, add an item to the cart, begin checkout, and complete a test purchase. As you do this, watch the events appear in Events Manager. Finally, confirm that the WooCommerce events are showing correctly and that they are not duplicated. You want each event to fire once as expected. If everything looks clean, your setup is complete and your meta tracking is ready to use.